Hello, class of 2022. Mr. Merhar and I are here to give you some information on registration for your senior year. The first thing we want to discuss is the importance of you meeting all of your graduation requirements. So here is each category and the amount of credits that you need in each of those categories. So for language arts, you have two options next year. You can choose one of these two full year courses, or you could choose two half credits, but you do need to choose one credit or half credit from the writing section, and then a half credit from the literature section. Math is, for most of you, senior year going to be an elective. You need 3 credits of math, so if you took your math this past year, you will more than likely have met your 3 credits of math requirement. Here are some possibilities of different math classes that you could take your senior year. Depending on what your plans are after high school, you may want to continue with math if that is going to help meet requirements for the institution or university that you are looking at. Science, if you took chemistry or physics this past year, you have met your high school requirement. But some of you may still want to take a science class as an elective, again, to meet requirements for a school that you're trying to get into or a program that you are interested in.
All right, for social studies, your senior year, you're going to want to make sure that you have completed the following courses, but you're going to be registering for American government for a half a year and economics for a half a year. And that will complete your 3.5 credits of social studies. Phy Ed and health, if you haven't completed the South Campus version, it's called 1943 Health Phy Ed for Your Future. Make sure that you do that your senior year if you have not completed that class. For your art elective, somewhere on your transcript, if you have completed an art class or one of these others, you will have a half credit in the arts. If you haven't done so, do that your senior year. Same with the wellness/art elective. Take either an elective Phy Ed, elective health, or elective art class to meet that requirement before graduation. So your electives total 6.5 as a minimum for graduation, and you can choose them from any of those areas. And also you need 22 credits to graduate, which includes your required and elective classes, and that's out of 24 that you take while you're in high school. All right, next we'll talk about CIS on the next recording.